Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing LendingTree's personal loans in 2025, discussing their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. So first of all, let's understand what is LendingTree. So LendingTree is an online marketplace that connects borrowers with multiple lenders, offering personal loans up to $50,000 with interest rates starting at 5.99% APR. This platform allows you to compare offers from various lenders, helping you find the competitive rates. So here, if I click on the similar web extension in order to check the monthly traffic of this website, you can see that the website has a lot of traffic on it, and the traffic is also in the upward direction. Here you can just scroll down a bit and you can just take a look at the traffic sources and the geography. Now let's just break down the pros and cons of using LendingTree for personal loans. Now if I talk about the pros, so by comparing the offers you can ensure your secure favorable interest rates. So here you can just take a look at the list. You find a single application that provides you multiple loans offers that simplify the comparison process. So this is what I like about this website. uh, Next, what we get from LendingTree is their loan variety. So the network includes lenders offering loans for various purposes such as debt consolidation, home improvement, and more. However, there are some of the cons as well that you need to consider before actually using it. So some users have reported receiving numerous calls and emails from lenders after submitting their information. So you can check that out on reddit.com. While LendingTree offers loans up to $50,000, some direct lenders like SoFi may provide loans up to $100,000. So since LendingTree partners with various lenders, loan terms and customer services quality can also vary. Now if we talk about the user experiences with LendingTree, so in my opinion these are quite mixed. On reddit.com I found this post where I was just reading people's concern about this website. So many appreciate the platform's speed and transparency, nothing the ease of comparing rates. However, there are some users that expressed concerns about being contacted frequently by multiple lenders after applying. So in a summary, I can say that LendingTree offers a convenient way to compare personal loans options from various lenders, potentially securing competitive rates. However, be mindful of the possibility of increased communications and ensure that the loan terms meet your financial needs. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more these types of insights and these types of reviews. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.